Heart is a complex pumping organ. If we gradually dissolve into the section of heart, we observe that it receives deoxygenated blood from different part of the body in right atrium. After that, tricuspid valve open and blood keeps flowing into right ventricle. Then right atrium contract, pushing the remaining blood into the right ventricle. This in turn to contract to push the blood into pulmonary artery, which carry blood to the lungs. The pulmonary vein bring back oxygenated blood into the left atrium of the heart. During atrial contraction, blood passes through bicuspid valve in the left ventricle. During ventricular contraction, blood pushes its way into the aorta, from where it flows to various parts of the body. The heart muscle continuously generate impulses which cause rhythmic contraction and relaxation of atria and ventricle. These impulses generated by sinoatrial or oroventricular node inside the heart. The blood flows in a specific direction. Contraction of atria is called atriosystole. At this time, the ventricles are in diastole. Then ventricle contract, it is known as ventricular systole, and atria are in diastole. This sequence of events which occur from the beginning of one heartbeat to the beginning of the second heart one is called cardiac cycle.